In the previous video, we knew about the Brandt Commission, about its report. We also knew the Earth's principal biological systems that are the foundation of the global economy. In this video, we will know the importance of the Earth's principal biological systems for industry, for human life, and for the other living species on the earth. Let us start. In addition to supplying our food, these four systems provide virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetics. See, in addition to supplying our food, see, first these four systems supply food for human beings, but besides supplying food for human beings, these four systems also supply all the raw materials for industries. In this way, these four systems are the backbone of industries. See the sentence? In addition to supplying our food, these four systems provide virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetics. But these four systems don't provide minerals, petroleum derived synthetics. Otherwise, they are the backbone of industries. In large areas of the world, human claims on these systems are reaching an unsustainable level, a point where their productivity is being impaired. Impaired means lessened. See the sentence. In large areas of the world, human claims, human rights of overusing, of over-consuming. These systems, these four systems are reaching an unsustainable level. Actually, human beings are overusing, over-consuming these four systems that they have reached an unsustainable level because they are overusing, over-consuming. In this way, the resources will not be available for future generations. A point where their productivity is being impaired because of over consuming, because of overusing. The productivity of these four systems is being lessened. When this happens, fishery collapse. Collapse means fall, breakdown. Forests disappear, grasslands are converted into barren wastelands, and croplands deteriorate. See, actually, there is an interrelation among these four systems. If one of them is affected, it will affect others also. See, when this happens, now what is this? This means the overconsumption, the overuse of these four systems. When these four systems are overused, overconsumed in an unsustainable way, then fisheries collapse, fall, break down, forests disappear, grasslands are converted into barren wastelands, and croplands deteriorate. In a protein conscious and protein hungry world, overfishing is common every day. In poor countries, local forests are being decimated. Decimated means destroyed completely in order to procure means get firewood for cooking. In poor countries, local forests are being decimated means are being destroyed completely in order to get firewood for cooking food. In some places, firewood has become so expensive is costly, that what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. In some countries, in some places, firewood has become costlier than food. And there is common saying that food inside the pot is not so costly as the firewood that is under the pot to cook the food. Since the tropical forest is, in the words of Dr. Mears, the powerhouse of evolution. Since means because the tropical forest is the powerhouse of evolution in the words of Dr. Mears. Actually, evolution is still going on in the tropical forest. That's why the tropical forest has been called the powerhouse of evolution. But unfortunately, the tropical forest is also being destroyed, and due to this, many species are facing extinction. See the sentence. Several species of life face extinction means complete annihilation or total destruction. As a result of its destruction, as the result of the destruction of the tropical forest, many species of life face extinction. They have been destroyed because of the destruction of the tropical forest. In this way, these four systems are very important for the life of this earth. If any one of these systems is affected, it will also affect the other systems, and then there will be a chain reaction among these systems, and that will lead to the destruction of our earth. In today's video, we have learned the importance of the earth's principal biological systems that are not only the foundation of the global economy but also the foundation of life on the earth.